cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a makeup. First of all, we will have another Valentine's makeup, and secondly, I'm gonna try this foundation right here. This is from Lavaart. Lavaart is a Norwegian, cruelty-free and vegan brand. They are mainly focusing on skincare and they have some base products like foundations and serums and stuff like that in order to create the perfect base for your makeup. Their site offers the subscription method. That means that you can subscribe, pay an amount of money every month and receive every month some of their products. Today we are trying their foundation. This is the matte cover. Mine is a 21C, the cold, and they send me another one, 23W. I think that C is for cold and W is for warm. So I'm gonna mix them and find my perfect, combination for my skin tone. Actually, I like so much their packaging. It's so artistic. If you can see it here, it's so nice. Inside, we can find something like a sponge, this one right here. I'm gonna do an application later. And if I open that, this is the actual foundation. To be honest, I haven't tried it yet, but I trust their opinion that this is the correct one for my skin tone. We will find out together. I want to assure you that although that this foundation is gifted, I'm gonna tell you my honest opinion about it. And now, let the makeup begin! Okay, I will start by priming my eyes with this one right here. This is my favorite primer potion from Urban Decay. The idea for today is to do a graphic eyeliner, a red one, and then smoke it out into red colors. Include a very nice, how can I say it, not sticker, but heart-shaped glittery something. And then I will draw some hearts by myself, some red ones, some pink ones, and I think that this is gonna be the ultimate Valentine look. I think it's gonna be quite easy. I'm about to start with my eyeliner, and for this I'm gonna use this one right here. This is a quite old one. This is from Golden Rose, but I'm gonna use it because I feel that's the best red color that I want for today's look. I don't know if I can find the name. Yeah, it's 525. So I'm gonna shape the graphic eyeliner and then we will smoke it out together. So this is the basic rough line. I know it's not perfect, but don't worry about it. So I'm gonna use this palette right here. This is the Vixen from V Cosmetics. V Cosmetics is a UK-based, cruelty-free and vegan brand, and specifically this palette is doing a great cause, so I'm gonna leave more details at the description box. Don't forget to check it again one more time for today. And I'm gonna use this shade here together in order to give some depth, and for this I'm gonna take a very tiny brush because I want to work with details. As you saw, I took a tiny little bit of black and I used this one right here, Fight. And now I'm going to apply a more bright red, and for this I'm gonna use my palette right here. This is from Brag Beauty, a Danish indie brand. I'm gonna take this OCD. It's a very nice red, I have tried before. If you haven't seen the video where I'm trying this palette, I'm gonna leave it here or down in the description box. Make sure that you're not gonna miss it, it's a nice video and it's another Valentine look. So I'm gonna use this brush right here. This is from Beauty Bay BB209. I'm gonna take an amount of the red and I will work from under to the top of my eyeliner. Another layer is done, and now I'm gonna work with a very nice bright pink. This one right here, Pinky Promise. I'm gonna take this brush from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna take an amount and I will go on the top of red. I'm gonna finish with the lightest pink that I can find, and this one right here is Girly, that color. And I'm gonna smoke out the whole, eyeliner to make it fade into nothing. With a clean brush, I'm gonna blend all the colors together. So I finished with the upper part of my eye and I'm moving on to the bottom part here. I'm gonna use this pencil, it's a lip pencil. We are not putting lip pencil into our waterlines, but me being me and being kinda unafraid, I will do it. This is from We Makeup Even Lip Pencil in the shade 22 Vico Fuchsia. So I'm gonna start by applying this here and then I will tell you. As we all know, pinkish and reddish color are not optimal for the waterline because they make the whole face look a little bit more tired or sick or stuff like that. But since we are doing a Valentine's look, I'm gonna add reds and I'm gonna basically do the same procedure that I have done here at the upper part down. So I will fix everything, I promise, and by the end of the video my eyes will look nice again. Now I'm gonna take one of the most covering concealers in my collection, and this is from e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and with this I'm gonna fill the gap between the graphic eyeliner here to make it more even and make sure that I don't have any zigzag lines, and then I will choose a beige eyeshadow and I will fill it in order to set the concealer. In order to fill that concealer part, I'm gonna use an old friend of mine, and this is that palette, the collaboration that NYX Professional Makeup had with Sabrina, the original series from Netflix. And from this palette, I'm gonna use the shade which is called Truth Cake, this one right here, and I'm just gonna set the concealer with it. Since I already have this palette, I'm gonna fix my inner corner using two shadows from this palette. So I'm gonna go with Cunning and Eternal Bliss, and the idea is to start with Cunning and smoke it out in Eternal Bliss. Let's go! And now let's go to the most fun part with my white eyeliner from Colourpop Makeup. I'm gonna try to draw some white hearts, and then if I'm not very happy with the opacity, I'm gonna use from NYX Professional Makeup the Epic Ink Eyeliner in white. Here we finish with the hearts. What do you think? They're not cute. I'm so much in love with these hearts, but I haven't finished yet. So I'm gonna take from NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Brilliance. Sorry, again I'm killing something. Anyway, this is Glee 23 and they have created some tiny hearts. I don't remember if it was last year's Christmas collection or Valentine's collection, but anyway, I have those hearts and I'm gonna glue some hearts between the hearts that I just drew. For this I'm gonna use my lash glue, which is gonna be from Duo. I cannot find it right now, but I'm sure it's there. I'm gonna apply an amount and then I will go with the hearts and go bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay, let me tell you what I have done until now. Obviously, I added false lashes. And then I fixed my brows using the glue from MUA and I brushed them a little bit, and then I primed my face with NYX Professional Makeup Marshmallow Primer, and I'm fully ready to start using the foundation. So the foundation came to me with some instructions. The instructions say open, of course, the packaging, okay. Then we have this, I'm putting this into my finger. Then I'm opening the actual product. Oh my god, I'm so excited! I haven't tried something similar before. So the instructions also mention to tap gently. So let me tap. It's like a sponge. It's weird in a very nice way. And then I should tap on my skin. Let's see. Oh, I get it. I get what it's doing. But I think I need two fingers. Yeah, now it's perfect. Okay. Until now, I'm very happy with what I see. They have an instruction and they say to use tap moves on the face and not dragging moves, because they mentioned that if I drag instead of pat, then it might look cakey, so that's what I did. And it's super buildable, so if I want the second layer to make my skin, you know, like paper, I can add another one. But I feel that I'm happy with the result right now. It looks quite nice. Like, I'm very happy, and it's very unique as a product. I never had a foundation like this before. Now, I'm gonna do some extra steps, like applying concealer. I'm gonna use this one from Aden Cosmetics. Before I add the powder to seal the result, I'm gonna explain you very quickly what I have done. So, for blush, I used this one, Blushed, from MUA in the shade Watermelon. This is great, like you see it on my cheeks, it's very good. Also, I use from Danessa Myricks the Color Fix as a base to my highlighter. And as a highlighter, I use this one, as always, from Fenty Beauty, Rihanna's company. How Many Carats Diamond Bomb. It's the same with the big one. This is just the travel size. And then I'm planning to seal my face with this powder right here. This is from Kosas. It gives a very nice luminous result, and it doesn't make the whole, you know, foundation look cakey, so it's perfect for today's trial. I'm gonna take a huge brush right here. I'm gonna take an amount and I will apply. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So this foundation promises that it makes you have an amazing skin, so I chose the word skin for today's video. And in Greek we say derma. Say with me, derma, derma. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word derma, or saying the word derma in your own native language. Last step for today is to apply lipstick, so I'm gonna start with the same pencil that I did my eyes. This is from Golden Rose, the 525, and I will just shape my lips. On the top, I'm gonna apply this lip stain right here. This is from Uden's Eye, and this is Elva in the shade Miss Kana. So, let's see it on action. You know something, I changed my mind, so I applied it only at the inner part of my lips, and it gave a very nice ombre result, which I really love, so I'm not gonna apply to my full lips because I'm quite happy with that. It was a nice surprise, you know? And that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it, I hope that you learned something, and maybe you found out a new product. If you actually like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more makeup looks. Also, I have an Instagram page. My Instagram is Catlady Antigoni. It's gonna be down here as always. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. See you next time. Until then, bye bye!